In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector 365, we'd like to show you the new process for obtaining resources available when you update 365 to the most recent versions. If there are new resources now available, you no longer have to go through the Application Manager directly in order to get those. I've updated my version of PowerDirector 365, and then I've opened the transition room. And if you look on the left panel in the transition room, you're going to see 10 icons that start with the word snow, and each of them have a little down arrow in the lower right corner. That indicates that they are now available to me as new transitions. I don't have to go through the Application Manager anymore. In order to acquire any of these transitions, let's take Snow 01 for example, all I need to do is click on it. It will then download it and give me a percentage when it's completely downloaded. Now you notice here it's pretty quick. Here's the second one. I'm clicking on the third one. And here's the fourth one. And notice that it actually took all of them with one single download. Now there are other elements that it will do independently where you can only pick part of them, but all I had to do was click on one in the transitions area and I got all 10 of these. What I'd like to do in the rest of this tutorial is show you a little bit with some real footage what each of these do, so you have an idea whether or not you'd like to add these to your active resources in PowerDirector. Here are the 10 snow transitions that are now available in PowerDirector 365. First one is 01, that's a fade to white. Number 2 is a general fade, variation on a normal fade. You notice we have snow icons of various forms and shapes in all of these transitions. Number 3 is a fade from the top to the bottom of the screen. The fourth transition in this series is a swirl transition. Number 5 is a twist or swirl with a fade to white involved as well. Number 6 is basically a fade to white with a different kind of snow icon available. Number 7 is a dissolve from the upper left to the lower right. The 8th transition is a dissolve from the upper right, moving to the lower left. The 9th transition is a fade to white, accompanied by a twist. And the 10th and last transition in this series is a variation again of a fade with the different icons for the snow.